It's about to be Thanksgiving, family. Today is the 21st of November. And I know a lot of our people out here really celebrate the holiday. And if they don't celebrate just the holiday itself, they celebrate the opportunity to get around family members, loved ones, laugh, talk, enjoy one another. And I just wanted to say something as my personal experience up to this point, and I've just been trying to figure out life, that we chase money so much. And we know that it's a need. It's a need to be able to live a certain way in America, but money isn't the glue that keeps us sane in America. It just keeps us going. But relationships and information is the glue. Relationships and information. The more you know, the better you can do. Who you know determines on where you go. It's not like, oh, I get all this information and then I don't know nobody, so I can't get to that next level. It's all about information and relationships, fam. So this season, enjoy your family members, enjoy your loved ones, enjoy those you get a chance to really be around that you really, really enjoy, because a lot of people don't have that. And once you get to a certain level in life, you realize that that's the most important thing. The relationships you have and the information you receive. Hold on.